Welcome back everybody. So today I am going to be doing a bowl. This procedure I first saw Mike Waldt do on a goblet maybe about 3 or 4 years ago. Basically all you're going to need is a hot glue gun and some spray paint. The procedure I'm going to be using, however, is I'm going to be using some spirit stains. This is optional. You can obviously use water stains as well, but again, like I say, it's optional. So basically I've got a piece of Sycamore mounted onto the lathe. So we're going to take it into a bowl shape, apply the spirit stains, cover it in hot glue, and then spray some spray paint over it, peel the hot glue back, and hopefully that shall reveal quite a nice looking pattern. So yeah, on with the video. Whew.
I saw you in a picture in a magazine. Sun is up, blazing hot down the boulevard. Look like a movie star, but you're not even trying hard. On the road, going nowhere with the top down, while the rest of us are stuck here in our small towns. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know who you are. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know who you are. Still raining now, the drops keep coming, drops keep coming. You lay it down, I can't stop falling, can't stop falling now. Strolling down, see my reflection in the mirror, on top like you, and now I'm feeling like a winner. Heading up to a world without a river, just the thought of it makes my body shiver. I'm on the road, going nowhere with the top down, while the rest of you are stuck there in your small towns. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know who you are. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know. Still raining now, the drops keep coming, drops keep coming. You lay it down,
about what I was leaving. I couldn't even tell you what road I was on, or if I was only dreaming. Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that you're on the right track, that you're on the right road, you say. Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that you will be fine if you just keep moving on and don't look back.
I just wanna dance and dance till I'm numb and I'm done and I've rattled you to the ground. Can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars, I just wanna be someone you remember. Like the sun, can't you see my heart is sore and tender? And I just wanna dance and dance till I'm numb and I'm done. Now the rattling has just begun. Can you feel it now? When we're dancing to I just wanna dance, dance.
Might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And What I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away.
Now I'm going to let you know on how you have the opportunity to own this piece. So at 9:30 on the Makers International Podcast YouTube channel, we will be going live and doing an auction. The auction is to raise money for a colleague that passed away of the blue light turner. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pass you to Scott the blue light turner, and he's going to explain all about his colleague that lost his life to COVID-19. So take it away, Scott.
Hiya guys and girls, Scott the Blue Light Turner. What can I say? Firstly, thank you to everyone that's watching Jamie's video, and to Jamie for his support in raising funds for my colleague Ian. The Makers community have pulled together once again for a good cause, and we've raised a phenomenal amount of money, and it'd be nice to raise so much more. So Ian was a colleague of mine at New Addington Ambulance Station. He'd served as a paramedic with London for 32 years, and unfortunately contracted COVID-19. And sadly, after 3 weeks in intensive care, lost his battle. He's left behind a wife and 2 young sons. So we've, as work and friends, we've set up a Just Giving page to try and raise £15,000 or more, just to give them some support and make something good come out of something bad. Ian gave so much to so many, never had a bad word to say to anyone, always could put a laugh on your face, and was an avid Crystal Palace fan, and again gave so much to Crystal Palace Football Club as their lead paramedic. So this bowl that Jamie's done, we're auctioning it off on Sunday on the Makers International Podcast. Please pop over, guys, 9:30, and make a bid if you want to. It's a piece of original work, as I said before. Lots of makers have got on board, and all I can say is thank you so much.
So yeah, there you go. There's all the information that you need to know. So yeah, like I say, links will be in the description and up in the cards for the Makers International Podcast. We got, like I said, we go live at 9:30 UK time. That's 4:30 PM Eastern. So yeah, if you're interested in owning this piece, like I said, there's an auction going to be going on for your chance to win it. Unfortunately, it's only going to be UK shipping, because I'd actually like people to actually receive it like sometime this year. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and until next time, take care everybody. Bye bye.
Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark.